Whenever you feel your tummy rumble, need something to eat. Yes, yes. Whenever you feel your pocket's empty, and call on me.
Okay, let's get straight to it. This is a really easy 4-chord song, 4-bar progression, which turns around. So we're starting here on the 5th fret. A is our root. So we're playing the major shape, so for an A major. So all bar chords for the song. And we're plucking the 6, 4, 3, and 2 strings. That gives us our A major. We're going to slide it up 2 frets, A sharp, B. Okay, and we're going to flatten the 3rd. So when we take our finger off, it goes back a semitone, a fret, into the bar, and that's our B minor. We're going to take that shape down to the 3rd fret, back to the shape we started with. So we got the major 3rd in there, and that's going to give us a G major. Same strings, and then we take that back a fret, and again flatten the 3rd, F sharp minor. So let me just play through those. Again, A major, B minor, G major, and F sharp minor. Okay, so now let's look at the rhythm, how we're going to play those chords, how we're going to sound them out. So as I said, plucking the 6, 4, 3, and 2 strings. When you pluck the chord, you want to get your fingers right back on to kind of mute the sound. That's going to give us a really staccato feel, yeah? So just practice doing that. If you've watched pretty much any of my videos, this is the kind of style that's being played. Normally with the jazz comps, it's a slap. Okay, and it's normally on the 2 and the 4. And we've got the same thing here. So it's going to be a quarter note rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, so what we want to do on this song though is change the slap for a strum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and you notice this when I do the strum, we get a mute straight away. So just kind of not karate chop with any kind of force, but just lay that part of your palm there across the strings, and then you deaden the sound. Okay, and we want to just strum the middle strings. Don't hit too heavy on the bass. Kind of muddy the sound a lot. Okay, so let me do that rhythm with those chords, and then we'll finish up with the timing of the changes. Okay, so from the top. Okay, so now let's look at the timing of the chord changes. First bar, we're just hanging out on the A. Second bar, we're still there, but we're going to change on the 3rd beat to move up to the B minor. And then on the end of the 4, we're going to go down to our G major. Okay, so in that one bar, we've got 3 chords. And you're not really the stereotypical kind of timing changes there. So let me play it and count, and that can help you a little bit. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so enough talk, guys. That's the lesson. I hope it all made sense. Remember, the chord chart is available. Link is in the description, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care.